Pringles, but.
Addicted to Life, one love. Today is Friday, January 1st, 2021, and I am chilling here at China Peak for
John Duncan's birthday. Addicted to rice. Brown rice, Mexican rice, Spanish rice, jasmine, white rice,
jasmine rice, brown rice.
who got you, baby? Addicted to life. My name's Kyle.
Hope you guys are having a wonderful New Year's. Be safe, stay positive. We're all here together. Addicted to Life, one love. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, John.
Happy birthday, Kyle.
It's not my birthday.
It's okay.
How's it up there? Oh, when it wasn't ready. Oh, that one's cold. Later, dudes.